Assume a comfortable position. Shut your eyes as you start to relax. Take in a deep breath. Now breathe out. Empty your lungs entirely. And once again. Take full, deep breaths, never strained or rushed. Breathe in strength. Breathe out tension. Carry on to relax. Take full, deep breaths. Allow your breathing to discover its own natural, unhurried pace. And as ideas enter your mind, allow them to go without attachment. Shut your eyes and think of a place you find really beautiful. Let yourself almost smile as you picture this place in your mind. While still picturing your beautiful place, be aware of your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keeping the picture in your mind, relax more deeply, still aware of your breathing. Begin to walk into the place you've pictured. Walk until you've come upon a place you'd like to stop and sit down. Imagine yourself sitting in this place of beauty. Notice the area around you. It is what makes your place so lovely to you. Each detail adds to the picture of beauty in your mind. You're part of this beauty. Sit still and feel the peace. The peace of being part of so much beauty. Let your mind think of how right it is that there be so much beauty and peace in your world, and that you fit into this picture you've created in your mind. Continue breathing. With every breath, relax deeper into this scene with you in it. Feel the calm serenity for as long as you like. Your breathing is unstrained. Relax your toes and feet. Relax your ankles and knees. Relax your leg muscles. Your breathing is deep and relaxing. Relax your fingers and hands. Loosen up your wrists and elbows. Relax your arms. Your breathing is slow and peaceful. Feel your feet and legs get heavy and warm. Feel your hands and arms get warm and heavy. Simply breathe as your thoughts come and go. Center on your breathing. Let go of tension as your body falls into a state of peaceful quiet. Unclench your jaw. Relax your face and let go of your tongue. Your heartbeat and breathing are serene and steady. Your breathing is relaxed. Void your mind of all thoughts. Your abdomen is soft and warm. Your limbs are heavy and warm. Watch your thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. Your hands are warm. Your forehead is cool. And your breathing is deep and relaxed. Feel your breath sink lower and lower into your lungs. As your shoulders drop, feel your breath fill the upper part of your chest. You're relaxed and peaceful. warm hands, cool forehead. Empty your lungs totally. Hear the silence grow as your mind hushes. You are relaxed, calm, and centered. Your heart rate and breathing are calm and steady. Warm hands, cool forehead. Your breathing is deep and relaxed. Enjoy the quiet. When you know it is time to leave this place, begin to return. Let your breathing bring you back. Gently take a couple of deep breaths. Pause a moment. Remember one last time that you can return to this place anytime you wish. It may only be for a moment, but it will remind you of the sense of peace that's yours. Now open your eyes and feel the goodness of this meditation for a few moments.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you'll be updated when I post a new video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Check the links in the description box below. Have a wonderful day.